Okay, I'm going to try to make a video to show how to replace the spare parts for the Tungaloy PRGCR 3232P20. It's a pin style tool holder, and I think a lot of them are made kind of similarly to have a few parts. There's the pin, which is in the middle. There's the shim part, and there's a spring lock inside of there that you have to release, and the tightening pin is up here. So the first thing you have to do is loosen the pin at the top, get it to where there's some play in there so you could get something underneath the shim. And for me, I just used a pair of scissors. And once you get it loosened enough, pop these scissors under there like this, and then just kind of torque it up like that, and you'll see that the spring pin gets released also at that point like that. See, the spring pin is in there. The flange side is on the top, so that's the part that holds the insert in. It holds the shim on there. So now you won't be able to take this pin out quite yet unless this screw is in the exact spot. So if it's too high or too low, you won't be able to get this out. You just play with this until you get it in the right position. Like right now, it won't come out. There we go. So that's how that goes in there. And once you get that out, then you'll notice that if you back this screw out, there's a stop. It won't come out all the way. You have to actually screw it down through, which is impossible before you take this out. You cannot screw the screw all the way down through. So keep screwing it until it pops out the bottom. And these are the three replacement parts. That goes in like that. This goes in there. And then this goes on there. So to reassemble it, you start by putting the screw back through the bottom. You have to screw counterclockwise in order to get it started. Pull it up to a certain point, and you can get this P lever, the pin lever, into the right spot on that screw. And you'll know because it has to stick up high enough to hold the insert in there. Okay, that seems about right. Then what I do is, if you don't have pliers, needle nose pliers, is push that spring all the way down in. Push the spring all the way down in. You'll see there's an indentation in the shim that this kind of holds the shim in place. That spring pin holds the shim in place, and then you want to insert this spring pin part into the hole around the pin, and that will hold the shim in place. So I need two hands to do this. Sorry if I'm in the way of the video. This is the most difficult part. And then I'm going to push it down. And I'm guessing maybe that's not. Yeah, it is. Bear with me. So just squeeze a little bit from both sides. It should help. Like that's how you use the needle nose pliers. There you go. So now I got it in, pushed it all the way down, and that's holding the shim in place again. And then I can screw that tight or loosen it. This is just a holder that goes, as an example, that holds down the shim for packaging, but in this case it'll represent the carbide insert. You screw it and the pin tightens the insert. That's it.